60 seconds with Femi correct Pidgin Yanis. Now they do, and we won't look back what happened yesterday for inside the UEFA Champions League. The two matches where they play yesterday, Tottenham then travel go Germany, go play Borussia Dortmund. The first leg of that match, Tottenham win them 3-0. The second leg, Tottenham come win them 1-0. Then the other match where they play yesterday too, now Real Madrid against Ajax for Santiago Bernabeu. Ajax they carry their two leg, come Santiago Bernabeu, come knock Real Madrid 4-1 for that particular match. Real Madrid said they don't kick them come up for UEFA Champions League, and that's why they make many people this morning don't they ask, say shebi where Cristiano Ronaldo they come out for Real Madrid, he carry their crown come out. I been another new type of Real Madrid who they see be this. Many people don't they say this now the time for Jose Mourinho to step in, God save Real Madrid. I don't know what you think of this one. How Real Madrid won't take manage this whole season, because when you look the way things they happen for that club, you know gel at all. The Real Madrid will know now lion them be. How you think of this Real Madrid?